But from 2 months back, this issue when started, children are suffering now. Maulana Sahab requested me, we want communal harmony, we want the education system not to collapse, not to spoil the future of the children. For that reason, you please try to convince the government. Whatever the incident took place 2 months back, previous what the system was there, that system convincing the government to continue that system, you please try to request the government. That is the direction he wanted, not only direction, he requested me. We want total peace in this state. Whatever he advised me regarding this, I tried to separate this issue to protect the interest of the students.